He's on duty, he's an armed police officer, and there is no reason for him not to be armed. He is not in any way acted or in any way intimidated plaintiff's counsel, and he's here to provide his deposition in a civil matter.
I disagree. He's a very large man with history.
Counsel, are you taking the deposition?
He's on the phone trying to get the judge. So
Move to strike inappropriate continued counsel statements in this case. We now have 2 attorneys for the plaintiff.
Actually, we have 5. I feel threatened by him, and I'm speaking up. And
well, then you can leave.
No.
Okay.
I'm here because this man did something to my client, and I'm here for that reason. I don't like the fact that after we asked him to be here without a weapon, he shows up with a weapon. I don't like that. I think the federal judge should know about it. That's all I'm saying.
And for the record, I tried calling a second time. It is now 9:08 a.m. It continues to go to voicemail. We will continue to try. What is the problem with you putting your firearm in a locked device right now?
I'm on duty, sir. This is not a secure facility.
What's going to happen here? Your other 3 officers felt completely comfortable. You don't?
No, sir.
I don't have a firearm. Bob doesn't have a firearm. Darren doesn't have a firearm. Jeanette, David, we're all here unarmed.
Again, the officers answer the question. If you want to proceed with the civil deposition, please do.
I didn't get an answer to my question about why the distinction between you being in uniform today, on duty, and 3 of your fellow officers who you have identified here as being on duty as well are not in uniform.
This witness cannot testify for them. You have their deposition.
Counsel, I'm not going to ask you repeatedly throughout the day. You make a form objection. That's a legitimate question. You want to tell him not to answer, tell him not to answer. I didn't ask your testimony. I've asked Officer LeVay's.
I'll move again to strike your
inappropriate. You can move to strike. I'm
counsel.
asking him the question.
You're arguing with the witness.
I've asked 3 times the same question. I haven't gotten an answer.
To the best of his ability. You have.
I've gotten your answer. I appreciate your testimony.
Ma'am, you talk to him. The officers are here. They wouldn't understand the court side of it. I was given a green light.
Right, but this is civil. So, unfortunately, and you cannot make forceful entry into the home.
And actually, I can. We're opening the door.
No, you cannot.
Opening the door now.
That is illegal. That is illegal. Only a sheriff can do something like that.
Officer, I'm Superior Court officer. I'm here. I'll show you the paperwork when you come down. I'll show you my back.
You are a process server. You are a 1099 employee process server. That's what you are. That's what your position is.
Here's where we are. You're somewhat correct, but I have the powers from the judge to come do the eviction. And that's where we stand.
You don't have the powers to enforce excessive force onto the home.
Well, the owners allow me because he has possession of the home. Again, I don't have the powers to arrest.
No, you don't. If someone is still living in the home, the owner does not have possession of the home. And that's New Jersey law.
If that was the case, then the whole United States would not leave properties. The question at hand is, and I'm not arguing your debate, what you have with the courts or so on and so forth.
Right now you are trespassing onto property. No one said that you could come onto this property. Please put the officers, I would like to speak with the officers.
Opening the door.
Please give me the officers.
They backed away and they let me in charge of it. I'll bring them forward in a second.
No, give me the officers. I want the officers.
He's coming.
I want the police officers.
Yes, don't break it, Bob.
A stick.
Do not break it.
You bought a stick. Why would you buy a stick? You bought a stick. There's a million out back.
Insurance.
And no proper registration.
I have them both.
Your registration is expired.
I have them both.
I need a current one.
So go get them in the car.
So this is without admitting guilt. I promise to appear in the time and place.
I'm not saying that because I have my insurance and my proof.
It says that you're not guilty.
It's fine, so rewrite it.
If you don't sign it, you're going to go to jail.
So call me a supervisor.
Huh? No? Okay, he's on his way.
All right, I'll wait.
If you don't sign it...
I'll wait for him to get here. We need to talk to the supervisor.
Okay.
All right. Dismissed. What was your name again?
It's right here. Ulrich.
It's right here, Ulrich? So is that, it's right here, the first name?
Sure.
Okay. And the ID number?
1163.
Mm-hmm. What sergeant's en route?
Yeah, I got you.
Do you know what sergeant's en route?
No, not yet. That's what we're trying to figure out for you.
All right. So what's the proper license plate?
So you're supposed to have a California one. See the plate on that car over there?
Like that one?
Yeah, like that one. So you're supposed to have that one on the back of your car.
Ah, so why does the DMV issue those? So the DMV. So everyone with personalized plates are illegal.
They are.
Everybody with personalized plates is illegal? Okay. There you go, guys. So if you have personalized plates, be careful. I need to speak to a sergeant.
For having the wrong plate on this vehicle, for not providing insurance.
I have insurance and I have registration. I have them both when she walked away. When she walked away, she didn't get them. It's on my phone and I was looking for the current insurance. Stop lying. Stop lying. Don't be lying.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
So I'm writing you a ticket for driving alone in the carpool lane.
You're gonna feel real stupid when you look at my trunk.
What?
Hey, 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 hey,
C'est le flash.
Monsieur Fournier, il a le droit de mettre un flash.
Regarde, mais non, regarde. Est-ce que, écoute-moi.
You're sitting on a bunch of stolen stuff in the car.
I didn't steal nothing. No,
You're sitting on it all.
No, I was not sitting on it. I swear for God, I was.
You were in the back seat, right?
But that was not my
I know,
stuff.
but all this clothes right here, you were literally, when you got out of the car, it was behind you. You were sitting on it.
I literally asked the lady that just took her. I told her when I was asleep, I was laying down and I was not hiding them. I swear for God.
So all of it was, you were laying on top of all of it.
No, not like to hide it, but I was using it as cushion to like, what?
And the other thing is all the tags that are all pulled off are all right in front of where you're sitting in the back of
I swear for God, that was not me, sir.
I mean, you need better friends than I imagine, right?
But they told you I wasn't stealing. Like, I wasn't stealing. Like, that man can confirm. We can go watch those
I know.
cameras.
Yeah, you weren't in there, correct.
But
you're on top of all the stolen property and stuff.
No, that was not my stuff. It wasn't like that. That's what I'm trying to say. It was not like that.
But you're going with them from store to store and they're stealing stuff.
No, I was in the backseat. I was not stealing.
I know you're not getting out, but you're in the car with them going store to store.
I did not know, sir. I swear for God, I did not know.